Hi, my name is Ashley Wilson. I'm a research associate with KS&R. Thank you for joining me today. Have you ever been interested in capturing in-store or on-location real-time reactions from your customers? Using a technique called Instore intercepts is an effective way to reveal customer reactions, but it can be challenging to ensure quality during these live interviews. In-store intercepts are a great way to catch customers in the moment and get their opinions on the spot. They can be especially useful to understand in-store experiences and behaviors or get reactions to in-store stimuli, without needing the customer to remember back to when they were last there. For example, consider a retail store that recently changed its layout and wants to uncover its customers' overall satisfaction with the change. Instead of using a more traditional online quantitative survey, asking customers to think about the last time they visited the retail location, this technique allows researchers to stop customers in store and get a reaction while it's fresh on their mind. It also allows researchers to physically point out the changes instead of attempting to describe them in an online survey. For example, a researcher might ask, "Have you noticed these signs hanging from the ceiling?" while pointing at the signs directly. In-store intercepts allow researchers to ask clarifying questions and make observations. In addition, they can be more efficient if research is only needed from customers of specific locations rather than a broad geographic area. However, this real-time, in-person methodology adds another layer of difficulty when it comes to ensuring data quality. KS&R has successfully completed numerous in-store intercept projects, and I have personally overseen several of them. I was just in Texas for a large shipping client a few weeks ago, and a few months ago I traveled to several of our client locations along the East Coast managing another in-store intercept study. As a result of our experience with in-store work, we have developed some best practices to ensure optimal quality. First, let's discuss using experienced and trusted interviewers. At KS&R, we depend on a trusted partner network. This allows us to have national coverage of interviewers, including locations outside major metropolitan areas. It also ensures we have individuals with experience doing in-store work. Having experienced and trusted interviewers results in better probing questions to capture insightful open-end responses. That's because our interviewers know how to get respondents to answer fully and explicitly. Additionally, trained interviewers have the right personality for the job. As you might imagine, asking customers to stop and take a brief survey can be challenging at times. We ensure our interviewers have the right mix of confidence and expertise while not being overly pushy or aggressive. All of this leads to a more successful in-store recruitment with higher response rates and better site screening to meet demographic goals. Our next best practice is to deliver in-person training. We kick off each project in each location or market in person with a training session before intercepts even begin. Each interviewer is given specific instructions for each project, and we ensure they have a clear understanding of their responsibilities. We also run through practice interviews to make sure the interviewer is comfortable and knowledgeable with all of the content and any nuances of the questions. Along with on-site training, we observe initial live interviews. This observation allows us to provide feedback and course corrections as needed until we are satisfied the interviewer will execute everything correctly and to our high standards. For example, we monitor for activities such as providing clarification to respondents as needed, probing for more detail on open-ended questions, and emphasizing key points of questions. Our third best practice is to review progress and check in with interviewers every day. These check-ins result in stronger participation and accuracy, as it allows for ongoing coaching and corrections as needed. Additionally, frequent check-ins with interviewers means we are able to communicate any required changes quickly. Reviewing progress every day ensures better data. We can monitor the overall progress to make sure we meet our participation goals, or take steps to alter the schedule to make sure we do. We monitor demographics of the respondents and make sure we aren't skewing or biasing the study in any way. And our final best practice, leverage technology. In-store intercepts have come a long way from paper and pencil. Using technology can streamline the whole process and ensure efficiency, accuracy, and quality. At KS&R, we use a trusted and tested survey app, so interviewing can be done on a mobile device. Using mobile devices offers some unique advantages, including the ability to include audio, video, and image stimuli, the ability to get real-time updates on completed interviews and quotas, improved data security, since it eliminates the risk of losing the physical copy or responses not being legible. And finally, it also saves time on the back end and ensures quality by eliminating the need for data entry. Instore intercepts are a vital research method, and through extensive experience, KS&R has developed key best practices to ensure high quality throughout the entire process. If you are interested in learning more about Instore intercepts, please contact KS&R. Thank you.